Most people get this wrong and assume an invalid code message means their Amazon gift card is fake or broken. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, most of these errors are caused by small input mistakes, region issues, or already used codes. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Amazon gift card shows invalid code and how to fix it step by step so you can redeem it without stress. Let's start with the most common issue. The number one reason is simple typing errors. Amazon gift card codes are very sensitive. If Alex accidentally mixes up a 0 with the letter O or adds a space at the beginning or end, the system will instantly show invalid code. So always enter the code slowly and carefully. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize that Amazon gift cards are region locked. If Jake tries to redeem a US gift card on an India Amazon account, the system will reject it, even if the code is correct. It will still show an invalid message instead of saying region mismatch. But here's the problem most people miss. Some gift cards are never properly activated at the store. This happens more often than you think. If the cashier skipped activation or the system failed, the code will look real but Amazon will not recognize it. So let's go step by step to fix it. First, re-enter the code manually. Do not copy and paste. Remove any spaces and double-check each character. This alone fixes a large percentage of cases. Next, check your Amazon account region. Go to your account settings and verify that your country matches the gift card region. If it doesn't match, that is likely the cause of the error. Now, try this simple fix that works for many users. Log out your Amazon account, clear your browser cache or app data. Then log back in and try again. John fixed his issue this way, after multiple failed attempts. Also make sure the gift card has not already been used. If someone else had access to the code, it may have been redeemed already. In that case, Amazon will always show invalid or used. If nothing works, your final step is to contact Amazon support. Provide the full code, error message, and proof of purchase. If the card is valid and unused, they can usually trace it and help resolve the issue. So let's quickly summarize. Most invalid code errors come from typing mistakes, region mismatch, or activation problems. Rarely is the card itself actually broken. Once you check these basics, most issues are fixed within minutes. If this helped, like the video, comment your error, and subscribe for more simple fixes that actually work in 2026.